How to use Dreamface AI Generator. First thing you're going to have to do is download the application and then simply open it up. The next step is to set up your app. To do that, you're going to have to allow some permissions. So simply go ahead and allow some permissions here. Click on I agree. And then from here, you're going to click on try my photo free. Now from here, you're going to have to allow access to your camera roll. Now from here you are going to have to select a picture to animate it or create an AI generated image or video. So let me just click on this character right here. You're going to click on animate after selecting it. And once that is done, it will start processing on the image and create a AI video. Now once the process is complete, you should be able to see the image. So here, as you can see, the face has been animated, and you can change the song or the type of video. So if I just select this one here, you could choose your avatar and it will animate the video accordingly. So after selecting this, if you want to save it to your gallery, click on save and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.